So, do you want to know the secret of my productivity? Many people ask me that how I'm able to do so many things, how I'm able to manage house, kids, work, my health, my diet, my routine, managing all the expenses. So, yes, it is, I'm multitasking many a times, and to keep myself in check, or rather to keep myself on track, I use a few tools and applications, and today I will be revealing those applications which I use for me to be on the path, me to be more productive, me to be more focused. And apart from tools, I'll also share few things which I do on a day-to-day basis, which may help you organize your life. So, starting with the first one, which is very simple, very easy, and it's free. So, yes, the first one is the app which each and every one of us have in our phone is the calendar. My calendar is so organized that you ask me a date and I can tell you that this date what all things I have lined up. In fact, my Zoom meeting also, which I have freezed, show up on my calendar automatically. So I have integrated those. So if I have a Zoom meeting, I come to know at what time it will be there, what time I'm free, if I want to add something, and if I have to commit something to someone, then my calendar is the first thing that I look at. So first is start using your calendar, and it'll make your life more easy and simple. Then second is this app called Todoist, which one of my mentor had recommended, and I'm still using it for past 2 years, and it has really helped me out. I'll show you the icon. It is this red icon which you can see. So this is one tool which I use for my task for the next day, and even like I can put my task for the next whole week, and you can use that to track yourself, to check that if you have finished those tasks, if you want to reschedule it. It is very helpful and very user friendly, and it's free. So you don't have to invest any money in it. Then the third app I want to advise you is to use Headspace. Headspace is something which I use for my deep breathing, meditation, and yes, it's more of a self care app, like a spiritual self care, not the skin or the cosmetic front of it. But yes, Headspace is a very nice app. It is very, very minimal cost, and it'll also give an alarm that this is a time for your deep breathing. And it also has few inbuilt courses which you can go through, for your mindset if you're feeling anxious or if you're feeling upset. So Headspace is something that I will recommend. Then this was three. Okay, so now the fourth one is the alarm, which again is there in everybody's phone, and it is free. So I make use of my alarms to the fullest. Even for that matter, if I have to take medicine, I have an alarm. If I have to make an affirmation, which I'm very fond of, and I preach that affirmations, I have an alarm for that. If I have certain things, there are certain rituals which I do on a weekly basis, I have set those. And I, for that particular day, I have set two reminders, once in the morning if I'm busy or if I'm in a meeting. Then I have another alarm in for the same thing in the evening, so that I've missed on doing something in the morning, I make sure that I do it when it's ringing the second time. I would like to know more about it. Thank you. Thank you so much, Innocent Quaker. Okay. Thank you for watching me. And yeah, if you have any question, you can put it in the chat box, and I'll be happy to answer you if it's in my capacity. So yeah, I've told you about the calendar. I've told you about Todoist for things to do. I've told you about the alarm. I've told you about the headspace for meditation and deep breathing and more of internal work. And the last one that I want to share is about your health. That is eDiet. It's again a free app which you can use for your diet. It can track your sleep, it can track your monthly cycles for ladies. Then it also has multiple things, which you can track on a daily basis, like how many glasses of water you have taken. So it's a very nice app. You can try it out. So these are the secrets of my productivity, I'll say. I use them day in and out, and yeah, I can't do without it. I can't do without my calendar. I can't do without my alarms. In fact, my dietitian has told me to eat jeera, so I have put that also in my alarm, like 2, 3 times a day. Eat jeera, eat jeera. So now, like when the alarm rings, my daughter also tells me, she'll shout it out, "Mom, it's your time to eat jeera." So yeah, I use it so much in my day-to-day life, and you start using it and see how productive you become, how organized your day is. And if you see the results, then do come back to this post and tell me that it was helpful. Do share this with your family and friends. And yes, I'll see you soon with more tools and more tips. Bye bye.